Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to share with you the best pellet grills on the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a backyard barbecue enthusiast, these grills are sure to impress, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more about these amazing grills. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the Z-Grill 7002 C2E Pellet Grill. With its versatile cooking options and precise temperature control, this grill makes outdoor cooking a breeze. Plus, its durable construction ensures years of delicious meals for you and your family. The Z-Grill's wood pellet grill smoker with PID 2.0 controller, the ultimate outdoor cooking companion for grill enthusiasts. With its cutting-edge features and durable construction, this grill is designed to elevate your barbecue game to new heights. Featuring PID 2.0 technology, this grill boasts an LCD screen for auto-tuning fuel and airflow, ensuring consistent temperature control even in the face of external temperature fluctuations. Say goodbye to temperature inconsistencies and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. With a whopping 700 square inches of grilling space, this grill is perfect for home gatherings, parties, and tailgating events. Plus, its 24-pound large-capacity pellet hopper ensures extended cooking times, so you can focus on enjoying the company without constantly refueling. Crafted from sturdy steel with a high-temperature powder coating finish, this pellet grill is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor cooking, ensuring years of reliable performance. And with a convenient view window, you can easily monitor the pellet supply without lifting the lid, allowing you to smoke for hours without interruption. Equipped with 2 included meat probes, setting and monitoring your cooking temperatures has never been easier. Simply set it and let it work its magic. No babysitting required. And when it's time to empty the hopper or swap pellet flavors, the hopper cleanout feature makes it a breeze. Thanks to its superior mobility, this grill can easily navigate any backyard terrain with its 2 rugged wheels, while the 2 casters with locks ensure smooth rolling and secure placement. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a weekend warrior, the Z-Grill's wood pellet grill smoker with PID 2.0 controller is sure to impress with its performance and convenience. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking experience to the next level. Next up, we have the Traeger Pro 575 wood pellet grill. Known for its reliability and consistent performance, this grill delivers mouth-watering flavors with every cook. Whether you're smoking, grilling, or baking, the Traeger Pro 575 has you covered. The Traeger Grills Pro 575 electric wood pellet grill and smoker, the ultimate solution for achieving authentic wood-fired flavor in your cooking. Built by Traeger, the pioneer of wood pellet grills, this grill takes your outdoor cooking experience to the next level with its innovative features and exceptional performance. Never again will you need to rely on gas or charcoal for your grilling needs. The Pro 575 offers precise temperature control, allowing you to achieve temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue with ease. With its 6-in-1 versatility, this grill is truly a jack of all trades, making it perfect for any cooking style or recipe. Equipped with Wi-Fi technology, the Pro 575 connects seamlessly to your home Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control the grill from anywhere using the Traeger app. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can monitor and adjust the temperature, set timers, and receive alerts right from your smartphone. The Pro 575 features a durable construction with porcelain grill grates, making cleanup a breeze after each use. With its spacious 575 square inches of grilling space, you can easily cook up to 24 burgers, 5 rib racks, or 4 chickens at once, making it ideal for family gatherings and backyard BBQs. Backed by Traeger's reputation as the market leader in pellet grills, the Pro series is known for its reliability and quality. The upgraded Pro 575 with D2 drivetrain ensures quicker startup, faster heating times, and superior smoke production, allowing you to achieve perfectly cooked meals every time. Plus, with the built-in meat probe, you can cook your meats to perfection without the guesswork. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a novice griller, the Traeger Grills Pro 575 electric wood pellet grill and smoker is sure to elevate your outdoor cooking game. Get ready to enjoy delicious, wood-fired flavor with every bite. Taking the 3rd spot is the Traeger Grills Tailgater. Perfect for on-the-go grilling adventures, this compact grill packs a punch. Its portable design makes it ideal for tailgating, camping, or backyard cookouts with friends and family. The Traeger Grill's Tailgater Portable Electric Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker with folding legs, the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Crafted by Traeger, the original wood pellet grill innovator, this portable grill brings the unmatched flavor of wood-fired cooking wherever you go. Say goodbye to gas and charcoal and embrace the rich, smoky taste of wood pellets. The Tailgater features a digital arc controller that maintains precise temperature control with an impressive range of 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're grilling, smoking, braising, roasting, baking, or BBQing, you can trust in the Tailgater to deliver consistent results every time. With its easy fold legs and compact design, the Tailgater is easy to transport and set up wherever your adventures take you. Whether it's your truck tailgate, a camping site, or a backyard barbecue, you can bring the wood-fired flavor to any occasion. Despite its portable size, the Tailgater boasts a generous grilling capacity of 300 square inches, perfect for cooking up to 12 burgers, 3 racks of ribs, or 2 whole chickens. Equipped with 6-in-1 versatility, the Tailgater lets you unleash your culinary creativity with endless cooking possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a novice outdoor cook, the Traeger Grill's Tailgater Portable Electric Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker empowers you to grill, smoke, braise, roast, bake, or barbecue with ease. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game and create unforgettable wood-fired meals wherever you go. Coming in at number 2 is the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24. With its innovative features like slide and grill technology and ash cleanout system, this grill offers unparalleled convenience and ease of use. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24. The Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24 Grill, the ultimate pellet grill and smoker for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With its innovative features and robust construction, this grill is designed to elevate your grilling experience to the next level. One of the standout features of the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 24 is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to monitor and control your cooking directly from your smartphone. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily adjust settings, set timers, and receive notifications, giving you complete control over your cooking process. The Woodwind Pro 24 is also Sidekick compatible, allowing you to attach additional accessories such as a griddle, grill, artisan oven, or stock pot. This versatility expands your cooking options, allowing you to experiment with a wide range of recipes and cooking techniques. With its premium construction and down-and-out ventilation system, this pellet grill delivers even heat and smoke distribution throughout the entire cooking chamber. The durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor cooking adventures. At Camp Chef, we are passionate about providing high-quality outdoor cooking gear that can withstand the rigors of the backcountry and the demands of the backyard. With the Woodwind Pro 24 grill, you can enjoy 5-star flavor and versatile cooking capabilities wherever your adventures take you. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Weber SmokeFire EPX6 Stealth. This grill combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance, allowing you to achieve restaurant-quality results right in your backyard. With its sleek design and precise temperature control, the Weber SmokeFire EPX6 Stealth is the ultimate pellet grill for serious grill masters. The Weber SmokeFire EPX6 Wood-Fired Pellet Grill, Stealth Edition, the ultimate grilling companion for those who demand the best in flavor, versatility, and performance. With its competitive temperature range of 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, the SmokeFire is designed to handle everything from low and slow smoking to high-heat searing. Whether you're smoking brisket, grilling steaks, or baking pizza, this grill delivers delicious results every time. The Weber Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection frame is included with the SmokeFire, allowing you to explore a whole new world of outdoor cooking possibilities. With custom-fit grillware, you can sear, roast, bake, steam, and even stir-fry food right on your grill, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor kitchen. Equipped with Weber Connect smart technology, the SmokeFire takes your grilling experience to the next level. Receive real-time food temperature alerts, reminders, and flip and serve notifications directly on your phone or at the grill, ensuring perfect results with every cook. For those late-night grilling sessions, built-in nighttime grill lighting illuminates the entire cooking grate, giving you full visibility even in low-light conditions. Plus, The top cooking grate creates a large second level of grilling capacity, allowing you to cook more food at once. And if you're craving even more of that unmistakable wood-fired taste, the Smoke Fire offers smoke boost functionality, allowing you to add an extra boost of smoke to your recipes. With its innovative design, precise temperature control, and unbeatable flavor, the Weber SmokeFire EPX6 wood-fired pellet grill is the perfect choice for serious grillers who demand nothing but the best. There you have it, the top 5 pellet grills of 2024 that are guaranteed to take your outdoor cooking to new heights. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more about these amazing grills. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!